Zach, I'm in a zoo game now. Where is he?
Dude, Zach's there, but he's in Zion Mario to the elbow.
Bob in zoo game.
No, he hasn't. It's B. Bob Zeman. But it's not like Ilzar.
Oh, well, it's been hours, so what day is those on?
There are a lot of games to say, but I'm not gonna say it.
Hey guys, one little light. What is on him?
I can't know what's going on.
Where is it?
He had to go.
What?
There's a
I'll say.
good little game. Go.
Oh yeah, open up on the door. Yeah, I know that game. They've been betting a lot.
Yeah, he had. No bother. I'm gonna guess something happened and join you one of the monster Z.
Who is Z?
If a monster got zoom me, your go video. Send a video. Might be a boss zoom on my zoom. Anyway, yeah, look a monster.
Anyway, how we been? I get on the button like I'm gonna get. I'm gonna button like oh, magic! Nothing.
All you do is walk a long hallway at Z and maybe you go back to normal.
A long hallway, really? Is you guided monster? What a loser!
Oh really? How about you, Zai?
Ha! Zooey. Well, you're the guy.
Hey, Ahoga! Yeah, I was hoping you would.
That room look the same.
So, itty bitty. Do 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 do.
I pick it room.
Do 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 do.
What the? Well, he died. I'm back! Yeah! I'm back!